Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zalfa Aulia. Have you ever thought about how big a role the mosque plays in our lives? More than just a place of worship, the mosque is actually the heart of our community, a center of learning, and a gathering place for fellow believers. This is where we learn, share, and strengthen each other. However, in this fast-paced modern era, mosques are also faced with various challenges. How can we maintain the noble values of Islam amid the onslaught of instant information and lifestyle? How can we make the mosque a center of modern and dignified civilization? Well, in this short presentation, we will discuss some of the rules and roles of mosque in building a better life for Muslims. Hopefully, what we discuss today can inspire us all to work together to advance our beloved mosque. Ready? Let's get started. The mosque is not only a place to perform worship, but also a community center that plays a vital role in shaping the character and improving the quality of life of Muslims. In this modern era, mosques are faced with various challenges, such as social change and the availability of technology. However, this era also provides a great opportunity to develop the roles of the mosque as an educational, social, and spiritual center. By understanding and implementing good rules, we can maximize the function of the mosque for the good of the community. The next slide is to improve the quality of worship. The first is devotion in worship. Emphasize the importance of praying in congregation on time and devoutly. This creates a better atmosphere in worship. Paying attention to the etiquette of dress and ablution also show our seriousness and respect for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. The second is religious understanding. Encourage the congregation to be active in Tadarus Al-Quran and attend regular studies. Religious classes for various age will help improve religious understanding so that each individual can practice Islamic teaching correctly. And the third is cleanliness and purity. Cleanliness is part of faith. Maintaining personal and environmental cleanliness of the mosque is very important to create a comfortable and holy atmosphere. Avoiding unclean, this will maintain the sanctity of the place of worship. The next slide is building a strong community. The first is Ukhuwah Islamiyah, strengthening the bond of brotherhood between the congregation by respecting, appreciating, and helping each other. Creating a friendly and tolerant atmosphere in the mosque will strengthen the community. The second is social activity. Holding social assistance program and fundraising to help others and collaborating with other social institutions. This activity not only help those in need but also strengthen solidarity between the congregation. And the third is avoiding dispute. Divisive political discussion should be limited in the mosque. Instead, focus on activities that are beneficial and unite the congregation so that the mosque remains a harmonious place. Next is the development of the potential of the community. The first is education and training, holding religious studies and skill classes such as computer and languages. This activity will help the congregation, especially the younger generation, to develop abilities and skills that are useful in everyday life. And the second is economic development, providing entrepreneurship, training, and business capital assistance for congregations who want to start a business. In addition, assisting in marketing, micro, small, and medium enterprise product will contribute to improving the community's economy. Next is responding to the challenges of the modern era. The first is utilization of technology. Using the mosque's website and social media to disseminate information and mosque activities. Online broadcasts for sermons and religious studies will reach more people, especially the younger generation who are more familiar with technology. And the second is religious moderation. Educating the congregation about the dangers of radicalism and hoaxes circulating in society. The mosque must be a place of dialogue that maintains tolerance and mutual respect between religious communities. The next slide is the mosque as a center of civilization. The first is improving the capabilities of the congregation, holding programs that guide the congregation to improve their abilities in various fields, both scientific, social, and economic. This will help create a better quality society. The second is finding a balance, teaching the congregation to find a balance between materials and spiritual lives. This is important to achieve happiness and peace of life. And the third is developing innovation, encouraging innovation in various areas of life, both in worship and social activities. The mosque must be a place where creative ideas can develop and be implemented for the good of the community. And the last slide is conclusion and call to action. The first is conclusion. The mosque rules serve as guidelines in building a strong, efficient, and noble community. By implementing this rule, we can create a positive environment for all congregants. And the second is call to action. Let's actively participate in implementing the mosque rules and get involved in exciting activities. Together, we can create a better life for the community and a more efficient mosque. So, ladies and gentlemen, from the explanation above, we can conclude that the rules in the mosque are not just restrictive regulation, but rather guidelines for building a strong, useful, and noble community. These rules aim to improve the quality of our worship, strengthen Islamic brotherhood, and develop the potential of the people. In this modern era, this mosque must be an inclusive, technology-friendly place that is able to answer the challenges of the times. By implementing the rules of the mosque wisely and actively participating in various activities, we can release a better, more harmonious, and more meaningful life for the people. Let's make our mosque a center of modern and dignified Islamic civilization. May Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala bless all our efforts. Don't hesitate to participate actively, give your best ideas, and let's release our ideal mosque together. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.